the water damage industry, we know that there are 4 principles of drying, extraction being the first principle. When you come to the Hydro Lab for training, you're going to see here that we've got 4 different tables and multiple extractors. What I'm going to let the class do is we allow every ASD class and a lot of our WRT classes to actually do hands-on extraction. You're going to actually performance test these units. They're not just going to use them. You're going to determine how much water is left behind in a 1,000 square foot basement, so you know how to size your air movers, your dehumidifiers, and other apparatus that you're going to use to dry. So one of the things that we all know, this equipment is expensive, and you want to make sure that you make a good purchase the first time, so that you're not buying something to find out later that you got an inferior extractor, because it will definitely harm the speed of drying in an in-place drying job.